Remove trailing newline from the elements of a string list. I have to take a large list of words in the form. And then using the strip function, turn it into. I thought that what I had written would work, but I keep getting an error saying, list object has no attribute strip. Here is the code that I tried.
You can either use a list comprehension, or alternatively use map. In Python 2, map directly returned a list, so you didn't need the call to list. In Python 3, the list comprehension is more concise and generally considered more idiomatic.
List comprehension. X.strip for X in LSD.
You can use lists comprehensions, or the map function.
This can be done using list comprehensions as defined in PEP 202.
If you want to see more